Hello dear student, how are you today? Today in Unit 6 Lesson 2 we are going to talk about ever and never. Let's get started. Use of ever and never, or what's the meaning of ever and never? Ever means at any time and never means at no time or not at any time. We often use ever and never with the present perfect tense. We start with never. In which kind of sentence we use never, or when we use never? Never is used to make a negative statement. It means we use never with a positive statement to negate it. This is the form of present perfect with never, or the structure of using never. At the beginning we have subject and then we have verb to have. We have has and have and then we have never. After never we have past participle of the verb. It means never goes between the verb to have and past participle of the verb. We have examples. I have never traveled abroad. Look at this example. At the beginning we have subject and then we have verb to have. After verb to have we have never, and after never or never followed by a past participle of the verb. It means never goes between the verb to have and past participle of the verb. The second example, I have never went fishing. I have never went fishing. You have never ridden a horse. Here we have an important note here. Be careful. You must not use never and not together. It means never, it has a negative meaning. That's why we do not need to use not with never. We have examples. Look at this example. In the first example, I haven't never been to Italy. We do not say I haven't with never. We have to say, look at the second example, we have to say I have never been to Italy. Because never, it has a negative meaning. That's why we do not need not in this sentence. We say I have never been to Italy. What about ever? Or when we use ever? Or in which kind of sentence we use ever? Ever is used in questions. Look at the form of present perfect with ever. At the beginning we have has and have, and then we have subject. After subject we have ever, and ever followed by a past participle of the verb. And also here ever goes between the verb to have and past participle of the verb. We have examples. Has she ever played golf? Look, here we have verb to have, and after ever we have past participle of the verb. It means also ever goes between the verb to have and past participle of the verb. Another example, have you ever went to a beach? Have you ever traveled by train? The summary. We often use ever and never with the present perfect. Never is used to make a negative statement. It means we use never with a positive statement in order to negate it. We have examples. Look at this example. This is the positive form of present perfect. I have been in London. We use never, we say I have never been in London. And ever is used in questions. Look at this example. This is the question form of present perfect. Have you been in London? We use ever. We say, have you ever been in London? And that's all about ever and never. Thanks for watching and listening. Goodbye.